Introducing our latest technology, Asbara. Asbara is a hydroponic smart grower that helps you grow fresh and healthy to eat vegetables and herbs right on your kitchen countertop. It allows you to grow anywhere, anytime, anything easily without soil. Our innovative technologies include adjustable LED grow light that caters to the needs of your plants at different growth stages, automatic watering system that water your plants when needed and creates a natural water flow. Also, built-in smart sensors monitor, detect, report, and record growth conditions in the system. It comes with an Asbara app, a community platform for support. Connect your smart grower with our app. You can monitor how your plants are doing and control different settings. In just 30 days, you can harvest your vegetables and herbs. Asbara is a simple and easy way to eat fresh and healthy foods while bonding and sharing with others. Select from our large varieties of seed capsules. We guarantee a 100% germination rate. No matter you are a planting beginner, a master chef wannabe, someone who enjoys healthy eating, or you care so much about your family. Asbara is what you need. Time to start a healthy lifestyle.
Plant factories represent a technological breakthrough in modern agriculture. No pesticides, no herbicides, no heavy metal residuals. GreenJoy Indoor Grow Box brings plant factories into our everyday life, demonstrating scientific and technological achievements of modern agriculture in a simple and practical way. Plant Factory's core technology has the capability of reducing the impact from external environment and allowing plants to grow abundantly all year round. The best growing conditions for plants, whether indoors or outdoors, is to feel the nurturing rays from the sun as soon as they wake up from their natural sleep cycle. Experiencing the touch of a breeze every time they stretch their body. Sufficient absorption of nutrients required for thriving. Furthermore, GreenJoy can also be freely stacked, enabling maximum utilization of limited space. We abandon traditional complex processes in favor of one-touch, convenient operation, making the user experience both simple and hassle-free. GreenJoy allows multiple cultivation methods to meet a wider range of growing needs. Vegetables, spices, fruits, and even flowers, users can grow at their convenience. GreenJoy allows smart cultivation to enter schools and families in a fun and healthy manner. Kids can better grasp basic agricultural knowledge with direct hands-on learning, making cultivation more lively and interesting. Enjoy technology, enjoy nature. GreenJoy, enjoy growing.